What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chopper. When I'm back with another video. All right, this is a Taco Tuesday edition video. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I'm gonna try to slowly make my way back with everything, you know, gaming videos, cooking videos, all that. But anyway, like I said, it's a Taco Tuesday edition video, so I'm making me some chalupas. Yeah, the Taco Bell style joints. Hopefully them joints taste better than Taco Bell because they don't really just have real meat. So yeah, them joints gonna be better than Taco Bell joints because, yeah. But anyway, I'm finna go and get started. All right, first thing first, cook up that ground beef. I hate buying these like this because half the time I don't even get all of it out, but I'm finna make sure, try to make sure I get all of it out, you know what I'm saying? Cause I'm trying to wait on money. I think that's all of it. Break that up, you know what I'm saying? Break that up. Then we're gonna let all that cook, you know what I'm saying? We almost there with it, you know what I'm saying? There's really no secret in the cooking ground beef, you know what I'm saying? Just make sure you cook all the pink out. If you cook all the pink out, you good. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm not adding no salt and pepper or any kind of seasonings in here right now because I always drain my ground beef to get all that excess grease out because I don't be really wanting all that. See all this grease that the ground beef done made? I don't want that in my taco meat. Nobody want no greasy ass tacos, man. Well, I don't want no greasy ass taco. I don't know how other folks feel about it, but man, it's a new for me. All right, we almost in the dough with it. Chop it up a little bit more. Let the rest of that pink turn brown or gray or whatever color this is. See that? No pink. No pink. Nowhere. That's how we do it. That's how you cook ground beef, ladies and gentlemen. All right, what we're gonna do from here, pretty much just drain it. Yes, sir. Rinse that out real good. Alright, I see clear water coming through. So my stuff should be rinsed off good, you know what I'm saying? This first. You know what I'm talking about? Pop that back in there. All right, we're gonna turn this down on medium. You know what I'm saying? All right, we want them tasting like Taco Bell, but a little better. So I'm gonna add some of that Taco Bell taco seasoning mix to the mix. You know what I'm saying? Sprinkle it all over there. Gonna put some water in there, you know. And we're gonna mix that up. Make sure that seasoning get all in that meat. Don't worry, we're gonna add some more stuff to it too. We just getting that Taco Bell seasoning mix in there. I actually got another pack of this, so if it don't look the way I want it to or taste the way I want it to, I'm adding the other pack in there. All right, get this all around now. It's starting to smell good, but make sure I get it on all the meats. I got, for some reason, this side over here is like looking all brownish and one side is looking team light skin. I'm trying to make sure all of it get a dosage of that seasoning mix. And at the same time, while I'm mixing it up, I'm still breaking down my ground beef because I don't want no big ass chunks in my chalupa. You know what I'm saying? So it may look like I'm just stirring it, but I'm actually chopping up the ground beef with the spoon too. And we in there. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more seasonings to this. I'm not gonna add a lot because it should already have some flavor with the Taco Bell seasoning in there. And like I said, if it ain't enough, I'm adding the other pack because this wasn't a small pack of ground beef, but hopefully that one pack had enough punch in it to get it some flavor. So, all right, put a little onion powder in there. You know what I'm saying? Give it that flavor because I'm not really putting onions in here. A little pepper, you know. A little salt won't hurt, man. Just a little bit of Tony, not a lot, just a little. All right, mix that. I normally add onions in my my ground beef and stuff, but I'm being lazy today, man. I don't feel like doing all that. Onion powder, it'll do me just. You know what? I got some minced onions. I forgot I had these. Minced onion. Throw a little bit of them joints in there. Smells like it's hitting on something. All right. It got that color I want, but do it got that taste that I want? All right, it's kind of weak, so I'm gonna add that second pack in there. Folks being stingy with the flavor, man. All right, now it's starting to look like that Taco Bell meat, but this is real ground beef. And it's starting to smell like Taco Bell, but this is real ground beef. It's looking the way I want it. Just go ahead and let that dry up a little bit more. And I'm gonna taste it again to see what it's hitting for. We in the dough with that there, Jack. All right, it got that flavor I wanted. So, all right, we through with this part. So let's go ahead to just frying the pita bread and putting this together. So I'm just set this on the back and let that cool off, you know what I'm saying? Then we gonna get us a pan, put some grease in it, you know what I'm saying? And we gonna throw that pita bread in there. Hopefully it's hot enough. We finna see. Okay, it's bubbling. Yeah, it's bubbling. All right, I slick want to shake this up, so I'm finna see how I'm gonna do this. Cause I don't want to just lay it flat and just have it looking like a regular tortilla. So I'm gonna slick. I wanna do it like this. It's breaking though. But we finna see how it turned out. Then I'm gonna add another one in there. Flip that. This is looking the way I want it on one side. All right. Come on. Don't do me like that. All right. She started breaking on me. All right. Got it looking the way I want it, so I'm gonna just pour that out. I don't want to burn it. All right, flip that one. The pita bread made this a whole lot easier, you know what I'm saying? So I normally used to just make my dough. Look at that, it's done already. I'm gonna just let these drain. All right, here we go. All right, I already know it's gonna be kind of hard to stain these joints up. So I'm gonna try the best I can to put everything in them without them falling. But if they fall, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Put that meat in there first. Put a lot in them. You know what I'm saying? Come back with that one. All right, like I said, there they go. Trying to fall. So we making a Chalupa Supreme, so you know we gotta come with the sour cream. You know, cause I'm all about cream, you know. So we're gonna add up some tomatoes. And don't worry, folks. Yes, I washed my hands. Corona going around still. Gotta make sure you wash your hands. Come with that shredded lettuce, you know. Come with that. Yes, sir. Uh-huh. Then we're gonna add that cheese. Uh-huh. Yeah, Chapo. In the kitchen. Making chalupas. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Now you cannot tell me them things don't look fine. Look at them. I'm saying they ain't positioned good on the plate, but look at them. Yes, sir. Chalupa Supreme. Mm-hmm. Making it look easy, pretty much. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, right, what's Taco Bell chalupas without the Taco Bell sauce? I got the mild because, man, I eat too much hot stuff. Man, I ain't trying to get hemorrhoids and nothing, you know what I'm saying? I gotta tone it down sometimes. So let me, that sauce, oh, I put too much on there. Look at it. Look at that. Look at, turn it around for you. Oh, 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 my, you know, stop playing with y'all. Nothing, boss. Y'all hear that crunch in that taco? Ooh. My bad if I'm smacking, you know what I'm saying? It's bossy. It's gone. Damn near. Damn near gone. It's fine. I don't need no drink. It's fine. It's that happy dance right there. You know, when the food be hitting, you gotta do a little dance. Well, anyway, I just had a little seizure. That wasn't a dance. You know what I'm saying? Can't wait no meat. Lappy. Mm-hmm. 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 Anyway, man. Y'all like what y'all see, man. Go ahead, hit that like button. Go and subscribe for me if you ain't already. Hit that bell for post notifications, so once I post something, you'll get some kind of a notification when it come up. Like I said, slowly making my way back into doing the stuff I normally do. Like, I used to drop video after video after video, like a few months ago, and I just stopped because, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. But I'm kind of slowly getting back into that mood of me just wanting to try stuff again. So stay tuned, man. I got a lot of more stuff coming. Chopper out.